Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ibrar, physiotherapist and international license exam mentor. So today's video is all about Prometric exam material and guidelines, so stay connected till the end. First of all, I would like to congratulate Kainat on clearing DOH or HAAD exam in first attempt, that is for Abu Dhabi. And one of my client has also cleared Bahrain license exam NHRA. Congratulations both of you. Before starting, if any one of you haven't subscribed my channel yet, kindly subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. So what she shared was a book that she referred for DOH or HAAD exam preparation, as most were clinical based MCQs. So as I always share experiences of my clients to get you all notified with updates for your exam. So those who are preparing for HAAD or DOH exam or any other Middle East license exam, but especially for this book is for HAAD or DOH exam, as Abu Dhabi license exam is much more difficult than other Middle East exams. So those who are preparing for HAAD or DOH exam and have already my material can contact me for another important NPTE book for that is free of cost. NPTE is basically National Physical Therapy exam, that is for USA, but MCQs at the end of this book are really very important for DOH exam or HAAD exam to practice clinical based MCQs. And I will suggest other students also and other physiotherapists also who are preparing for other countries' license exam. Please prepare these MCQs also to solve clinical based MCQs easily. So you can mail me for this book, and my best wishes are always with you all. Thank you everyone, and remember me in your prayers always.